The design of the American dollar bill is rich in symbolism and meaning. Here are 10 key elements of the design and their significance. George Washington, the first president of the United States. George Washington is featured on the front of the $1 bill. His image represents the country's foundation and the importance of leadership. The Great Seal. The back of the dollar bill features the Great Seal of the United States. The eagle symbolizes freedom, and the arrows and olive branch represent the country's ability to defend itself and maintain peace. E pluribus unum. This Latin phrase, which translates to out of many, one is featured on the banner held in the eagle's beak. It represents the unity of the states and the strength that comes from diversity. The pyramid. The back of the dollar bill features a pyramid with an eye at the top. This is the Eye of Providence, which represents the divine guidance and protection of the country. Annuit coeptis. This Latin phrase, which translates to he has favored our undertakings, is featured above the pyramid. It symbolizes the belief in divine providence and the country's successful endeavors. Novus Ordo Seclorum. This Latin phrase, which translates to a new order of the ages, is also featured above the pyramid. It represents the country's belief in progress and its ability to create a better future. The number 13. The dollar bill features the number 13 in several places, including the number of stars above the eagle's head and the number of arrows and olive branches in its claws. This represents the 13 original colonies that formed the United States. The green color. The dollar bill is green, which represents stability and strength. The color was chosen because it was easy to reproduce and resistant to counterfeiting. The serial number. Each dollar bill has a unique serial number, which represents the individuality of each bill and the country's commitment to accuracy and accountability. In God we trust. This phrase is featured above the eagle's head on the back of the dollar bill. It represents the country's belief in God and its dedication to religious freedom.